Alright, so today we're doing the review on the Sharvol S1 tactical flashlight. So on the back here we have the breakdown of it, the S1. So we have turbo 1900 lumens, high 850, medium 400, low 150, eco for 50 lumens, and then the strobe at 1900 lumens. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Alright, so we have it here in the pack. And we'll get it open. Alright, so inside the pack we've got, let's see here, we've got the 5000 milliamp battery, the flashlight itself with charging port and water protective flap over it. Got a, feels pretty sturdy for a case. Looks like 2 lanyards, paperwork, more paperwork, O-ring, and charging cable. And it is a C. So C charging cable. Alright. Well, O-ring for replacement, I guess, if that one wears out. Check out the little lanyards. Okay, so standard one, and this one looks to be a coil lanyard. Great, with a little spring. Alright, well, let's get it charged up and let it charge on a full charge, and we'll give it a whirl here in a few hours. That's the register plan. There's your user's guide. Great. Alright, let's get it charged up and see what we got. Alright, so get this thing charged up. Take the battery out. Unscrew this. There's the negative. Slide it in. Screw it back on. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Alright, make sure that's snug, and we'll plug it up. Alright, now we got it plugged up. We got a little LED light flashing, indicating that the battery is in there, and it is charging. Once it's full, it should go to a solid green. Alright, got it all charged up, got a green light, says it's full. Let's go test her. Real quick before we go outside and test it, let's show you the different modes. So we've got eco, low, medium, high, turbo, and if you hold down the button, there's your strobe. So there's a couple different patterns there in it. not pressing the button again, it just cycles through. So let's go see what it looks like outside. Alright, so here we are. Outside, we're all set. So here's low. You can see some up in the tree. Can't really see the farther wood line. Gotta find the button. There's eco. So there's low. Low, you can see a little bit better, quite a bit. See a little bit more of the second brush line. It's medium. Medium's got a nice beam. You can be able to see up into the trees decently. See the further wood line. Not quite the fence row out there. High. Definitely see up into the trees. Definitely got a good beam on it. Able to reach out. Able to see clearly. Able to see second wood line. And turbo. Turbo is nice. Able to see definitely the further wood line. Up close and into the trees. So definitely able to look around, see anything you need to whenever you're out. So definitely handy. Being able to find the button on the side, easy enough. You can feel it starting to get a little bit warm though, so holding on turbo, it does heat up pretty quickly, so just bear that in mind as you're out playing in the woods with it. Okay, so the Sharvol S1 Tactical Light, good light, able to withstand and be able to shine very nice outside. One comment I'd say is finding the button on the back, very nice. You can never lose it. Finding the up switch, you can get lost as you're spinning it around out there, but you only got two grips. One is the charger, the other is the button. So it's relatively easy to find out there. You just have to spin it once, and then with the clip helps you navigate where it is as well to right there top at it. So it allows you to find it relatively quickly out there. Does get hot on turbo pretty quick, so just bear in mind, and it does eat the batteries a little bit quicker. But with it being rechargeable, you're able to see plenty fine on medium or high and use the turbo as you need it. So Sharvol, good light, and I would recommend it.